everyone, welcome to my channel. Here's another gift concept with these boxes that I purchased from Dollar General. This one I placed a perfume pad in that says baby girl. One of the plush animals from Dollar General that was $1. And that's one of the mini animals. I also put some truffles back there just to fill that space, and the heart candy kisses. I put a watch in here that I purchased from Temu. Came in a gift set. And I'm breaking that set up. So this one will contain the watch. And I placed all of that in this decorative box. I think this is very pretty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.